Come on, Paris, you can do it. Huh?
Paris is too big.
Paris is too big.
Not funny.
Unsa na?
Not funny.
Oh, no. Sorry.
This is not funny.
This is not funny. What did you say?
I want chocolate, please. I want chocolate, please.
Kinukumpara niya ako sa ibang mga vloggers.
Mommy.
It's not cold outside anymore.
It's morning.
We're going out, guys.
Do
you know how to open the door?
It's working.
It's not broken. Come on. There you go. Good job. Hi guys, dito kami sa labas ni Paris. Happy Friday, guys. Kakatapos ko lang palang mag-work. It is now 5:17 ng hapon. And it's weekend, guys. Kaya ang ating baby girl ay happy na kasi maglalaro na kami. What happened? What happened?
Mommy, there's more.
What is that?
It's white.
White. Show Tita B and Tito.
It's a small one.
Yeah, show. Me? Show them.
A big one and one small one. What do you want?
Did you find more?
Uncle, for where you going? It's a car.
It's a car. What color is that car, honey?
It's white.
It's white.
I'm white and black one there.
That's right. There's black and there's white. Good job. B, show me. Show Tita and Tita B what you've got there, B. Wait.
Mommy, there's more.
Oh, there's more. Here. B, show me.
What do you want?
What do you want?
I find more.
You're gonna find more.
There's more.
Naghahanap siya ng mga puting bato. Anong tawag nga dun, guys? Bato balani? Yun ba yun?
There's more. There's yellow.
What's that? Yellow. That's not a stone, nak. Ayun, anak, dirty. Where are we going? Oh, bring your apple juice.
Parks.
Where are we going?
On the park.
Tell Tita and Tito here.
Park.
Okay, we're going to the park. Hala, tingnan nyo yung nangyari sa garage ni Daddy, oh. Yeah, Paris open it. Kasi si Paris naglalaro sa remote ba? Tapos, ay ano niya push. Minupush niya, tapos ano na naman. Oh, tingnan nyo, hindi na close. Check the mailbox, Nakbi.
My handy.
What do you say to Mommy?
Wish.
Okay.
What's Rambo?
What's that? Check the mailbox na, Nak. Ba sila nagpadala og kuan?
Sticker.
Cheeky. Sticker.
Peter, Mommy's put out.
Check the mailbox na. Alam niyo guys, sobrang saya ko talaga kasi ang ating baby girl ay ano na, she's starting to get back to the normal Paris na ba? Tingnan niyo, oh. Punta na daw kasi kami ng park. Yang mama kasi sige pag-check ka. Tingnan niyo guys, oh, ito pala yung gamit ko na mask. Ayan. Bigay pala to ng mami ni Mike sa amin. A month ago, I think, pinadalhan niya kami ng maraming mask. And ito siya, sobrang tight ba sa akin, pero wala na akong makita sa loob. Kaya ito yung gagamitin ko. Ayan, tingnan nyo sa loob. Mayroong ganyan. So, hindi talaga magfa-fog yung aking yung aking glasses. Kasi parang may naka-block dyan ba, ganyan. Wait for mommy! Shh! Shh! Wait for mama! Paris, Nicole? Hoy, there's the car, ha? Don't be naughty. Are you warm enough?
Let's go park.
We're going to the park.
Please open it.
Police open it already? Good job. Good job, say good job, police.
Good job. Good job, police. They go open it the parks.
Ang bata na hindi na makapaghintay. Oh. Tinang niyo si ate ba yun siya? Sabi ni Paris, hello tita. Very friendly talaga tong bata natin ba? Kahit sinong makita, sinasabihan ng hi, hello. Nak, are you Miss Congeniality, Nak?
Mommy, yeah, it's watching me.
Tito is playing basketball. Ayan ang ating park, guys. Oh, marami ng mga bata. So, are you excited?
Yes.
Good job. Careful. Baby Paris, happy?
Hey, Mom, where's Sesame? He's mine.
Very happy?
The eagle. There's the eagle.
There's an eagle.
It's not the eagle, it's a birdie.
It's a birdie. Yay! Oh, sobrang happy niya. Come on, Paris. You can do it. Huh?
Paris too big.
Paris is too big.
Not funny.
Unsa na?
Not funny.
Oh no. Sorry.
This is not funny.
This is not
No,
funny.
big, Mommy. This is a truck.
Where?
It's a trucks.
It's now 6 o'clock. Uwi na kami ni Paris. Nak, no, why are we going home now, Nak?
I'm going to park.
Because it's night time.
This is not sir.
That's right. There's a monster. Come on.
Mommy's catching Paris.
That's right. The monster will catch Paris. It's nighttime already.
I'm a Sherry.
Yeah, we have to go home because it's nighttime.
Michelle is not sun.
Hmm?
It's no sun.
There's no more sun.
It's gone night.
Yeah, it's nighttime.
It's my moon. The sun come back.
Yeah, the moon will come soon.
It's Master. It's Master get Paris.
Yeah. But don't be scared because Mama is here.
Not here.
Yeah.
you say?
I want chocolate, please. I want chocolate, please.
You want chocolate? Padungog na siya guys kay si Lola sa harapan ba open ang door. Ay.
Oh yeah. I want chocolate. I want chocolate. I want chocolate.
Nak, maayo lagi kay drama nak.
I want chocolate. I want chocolate.
Nak, mag-open na itong ABS-CBN na kay pa-artista
I
ta ka
want
na.
chocolate. I want chocolate.
Wait.
I
Mm.
want chocolate. I want chocolate.
Yeah. Wala tayo chocolate. Eh, taka naman ka.
I want chocolate.
Tingnan niyo, ganyan siya. Tapos ang boses niya ay malakas kasi open ang door ni Lola.
I
Oh.
want chocolate.
Uy, hala. What are you doing there?
I'm doing that on my shoes.
Dirty ka na, anak ko eh. Dirty na, ay worms.
No, I'm a yellow.
Hmm?
Oh, Mommy's shoes.
Uy.
There's water, Mom.
Ako naman daw. Hey, wake up, Daddy. Tingnan niyo siya,
Wake
guys.
up, Daddy.
Nasa bintana.
I'm the stupid.
Huh? Wala. Alin na. Uy, careful. 1, 2, 3.
No,
Jump.
Mommy, I want
Daddy, wala, ayaw di anak. Kala na, ay, kuwan niya, snake.
I think
Yes.
it's
Bigla tayong mapapaluto ng rice nito, guys, kasi merong naghahanap ng kanin. Guess who? Guess who ang naghahanap ng rice? Ang ating baby girl. Kung magluluto muna tayo kasi hindi naman talaga kami everyday nagluluto ng rice dito sa bahay. Minsan lang pag-type. Ayan. Tapos ngayon, may naghahanap ng rice at minsan lang talaga siya manghingi ng pagkain, guys. At yung hiningi pa talaga niya ay rice. Kaya pagbibigyan na natin. Nasisiyahan talaga ako, guys, kapag si Paris ay naghahanap ng pagkain. Kasi, as you know na sobrang fussy talaga ni Paris sa pagkain. Lalo na kasi nagpapadede pa ako. So, alam niya na meron siyang, ang tawag dito, meron siyang makakain, maiinom kahit na hindi siya kumakain ng mga, kahit anong mga pagkain dito sa bahay. Sobrang happy ng ating baby girl today, kaya that makes me so happy, guys. Para sa akin talaga, guys, ang totoong kaligayahan for me is the health and happiness of my family. Basta malusog lang yung pamilya ko dito, yung pamilya ko sa Pilipinas, walang dinaramdam, happy na ako dun, guys. Wala na talaga akong mahihiling pa. By the way, may share pala ako sa inyo, guys. I know na meron sa inyo, at kahit si Daddy Mike, ito yung sinasabi sa akin, na sana hindi ko na daw basahin yung mga negative comments. But that is very impossible naman, kasi always kong binabasa yung mga comments. And ang tawag dito, pag na-start ko nang nabasa yung negative comments, wala nang rewind yun. So, hindi ko na maibabalik yung panahon na nabasa ko yung negative comments. So, pinagpapatuloy ko na lang yung pagbabasa ng comment. And alam niyo guys, yung comment na to ay sobrang nakakasakit talaga. Lahat naman siguro ng mga negative comments nakakasakit, diba? Ang worst part nga lang dito kay ate sa nag-comment ng negative comment na to is that kinukumpara niya ako sa ibang mga vloggers. Alam naman nating lahat na kaming mga vloggers, yung mga tao na nagba-vlog, meron tayong mga iba't ibang style sa pagba-vlog. Yung sa akin nga lang naman, kung hindi nyo type yung videos ko, kung hindi nyo ako gusto, you can always exit out from the video instead of spreading negative vibes. So, yung comment pala ni ate, guys, sabi niya, sobrang Bisaya kasi yung pag-ano niya, guys. Bisaya kasi yung pag-comment niya. Sabi niya, sobrang halata daw na Bisaya ako. Sabi niya, halata kaayo Bisaya ka day. The way magsalita ka, halata jud Bisaya accent. Marami daw vlogger na Bisaya sa YouTube na hindi naman daw halata yung accent nila na Bisaya. So, first na binanggit niya, guys, is si Madam Kilay. Sabi niya, taga Leyte daw si Madam Kilay, Bisaya, pero hindi daw halata magsalita. Bagay daw mag-vlog. Tapos, second pa, guys, na minention niya ay si Jodaline Ahern, na taga Bohol daw, hindi daw halata at bagay daw sa kanya yung mag-English. The third channel na minention niya, guys, sabi niya, Bisdak and UK, Bisaya daw, pero bagay naman. Fourth, Etching Life in Florida, Bisaya yan, pero hindi halata, magaling mag-English, sabi niya. Si Ikats D sa Netherlands, Bisaya daw, pero bagay naman daw mag-vlog. Hindi daw badoy kahit baguhan daw. Tapos, yung last dito, guys, na kinumpara niya sa akin ay si Inday Garnet. Sabi niya, taga Davao daw na vlogger. And her hubby is from Netherlands, sabi niya. Lahat daw yun, lahat ng mga nabanggit ko ng mga channels, mga Bisaya daw sila, pero magaling daw silang mag-English. Hindi daw katulad sa akin na yung English ko daw ay Bisaya, sabi niya. Ang badoy-badoy daw pakinggan. So, sobrang nasaktan ako, guys, kasi yung pinakaayaw ko sa lahat ay yung kinukumpara ko sa iba. And you know what? Yung mga na-mention niya yung mga channels, guys, mga idolo ko din yun sila. Isa sila sa mga dahilan at mga naging inspirasyon ko kung bakit nag-start ako ng sariling channel ko. Palagi ako nanonood ng Ahern Family, Inday Garnet. Basta yung mga mention niya, guys, pinapanood ko yan before ako nag-start ng YouTube. At ni minsan, hindi ko kinukumpara yung sarili ko sa kanila, guys. Yung mga tao nga naman, guys, hindi mo talaga, it's very true talaga na you can't please everyone. Kasi, kung napanood niyo yung mga videos ko before, nung nag-start ako ng YouTube, I was speaking English. The whole time, I was speaking English kasi yung rason ko nga na yung family ni Mike, they are watching our videos at gusto kong maintindihan nila. But then, may mga nagko-comment na sana Tagalog na lang kasi ang arte-arte ko daw kasi nag-i-English ako. So, that's when I decided na magtatagalog ako sa akin channel, guys. At the first time talaga na nag-video ako ng Tagalog, sobrang natawa ako sa sarili ko kasi na-mention ko na sa inyo na hindi talaga ako fluent sa Tagalog. Alam nyo naman na Bisaya ako, guys. Kaya minsan sa mga vlogs ko, naririnig nyo talaga yung Bisaya na accent ko. At sabi ko, paumanhin sa aking Tagalog nung start pa ako. I'm actually very proud of myself now kasi
habang tumatagal na nagtatagalog ako sa mga vlogs ko, medyo nabobroaden na yung Tagalog vocabulary ko. Yun na nga guys, kahit anong gawin talaga natin, meron talagang masasabi yung mga taong bitter. Kaya para sa akin guys, I'm just being myself. Nakikita nyo naman sa mga vlogs ko, oo, nai-insert ko yung mga Bisaya ko. Kasi Bisaya naman talaga ako guys, hindi ko kinakahiya yun. Yun talaga ang pinakaayaw ko sa lahat, yung magkumpara. Never ever in my entire life na nagkumpara ako ng ibang tao sa ibang tao or kinukumpara ko yung sarili ko sa ibang tao. Kasi iba-iba naman tayo. May sarili-sarili tayong style, may sarili-sarili tayong mga tactics, yung mga ganon. And this is the way I vlog. At yun na nga yung sabi ko, kung hindi mo gusto yung pag-i-English ko. And also guys, about this English thing, right? So, sinasabi niya na yung English ko ay Bisaya daw. Kaya baduy pakinggan. Yung Australian accent kasi guys is very different to American accent or English accent. Ibang-iba talaga guys. Super slang talaga. Kaya nung nag-start akong mag-vlog ng Tagalog, as much as possible, yung ginagamit ko ay Tagalog. Nag-i-English ako pag kinakausap ko si Mike, obviously, kasi hindi niya ako maintindihan. Pag kinakausap ko si Paris, minsan nag-i-English ako, ganyan. Ayokong mag-Tagalog ako ngayon, tapos the next sentence na English ay Australian accent yung gamitin ko. Kasi parang na-awkward ako ba. With me kasi, what you see is what you get. Ito talaga ako guys. Like, nakikita nyo naman ako na walang makeup, nakaharap sa camera. Pag nagsasalita ako, Bisaya, oo, pasensya na kung may Bisaya accent. Kasi I can't avoid the fact na Bisaya talaga ako. Kaya, kung may problema kayo sa pagsasalita ko na may Bisaya accent, then it's not my problem anymore. Yung nakakatawa nga lang guys, kasi yung nag-comment noon ay Bisaya pa. So, hindi ko talaga mag-gets si ate guys. But, you know what? There's one thing talaga na na-appreciate ko no, sa ginawa niya. Ay yung patience at courage niya na mag-type ng ganoon kahaba na comment para lang mailabas yung nararamdaman niya. Kaya, kudos to you ate. Basta for me guys, sa channel natin na to, spread the good vibes lang. Wala tayong nega-nega na mga vibes dyan guys. Kasi, you know what? Life is too short to be mean to people. May isa din pala na nag-comment before na basta negative din yung kinoment niya. Pero nireplyan ko siya. Sabi ko, I'll be better next time. Sabi ko sa kanya. Tapos nag-reply siya sa akin na ang bait ko daw kasi hindi daw ako nagalit sa comment niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, yun din yung sabi ko sa kanya, guys. Life is too short to be mean to people. If you are mean to somebody, that doesn't make you a better person. But for some people, guys, I think it's just a hobby. Maybe yan lang talaga yung trip nila na gawin. Alam ko naman na marami sa inyo yung nagmamahal sa akin, nagmamahal sa amin ng pamilya ko dito, ng aming mga vlogs. Kaya patuloy pa rin tayo sa pagbablog, guys. Hindi tayo susuko. Laban lang tayo, guys. Alam nyo, guys, si Paris pumasok dito, sabi niya, oh, Mommy, what are you doing? Huh? What did you say?
Please.
What did you say to Mommy?
Please.
Did you say, Mommy, what are you doing?
Please, Mommy.
Okay, say hi here. So I'm gonna eat rice now.
I will eat rice too.
Rice too.
Mommy.
You gonna eat rice? Okay. Okay. What do you want to say to Mommy? B, Mama cook rice for you.
No rice.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
I love you very much. I love you very much.
Much.
Okay. Ako pala yung magluluto tonight, guys. Ang ating lulutuin tonight is this spare ribs. Ayan, from Coles. And then meron pa pala ako, thank you, Lord. Meron pa pala akong naiwan na mamasitas, na adobo mix. Ayan. Sobrang tagal ko na talagang hindi nakapunta ng Filipino shop, guys. Been months and months. And I can't wait to go back para bilihin yung mga... Are you selling ice cream? Can I please buy a yellow ice cream?
Okay.
Yellow, please. Color tai. Oh, here na. Here na, please. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Go sleep. Go sleep.
And Mommy, go sleep now?
Okay.
Oh. Guys, kakatapos ko lang palang kumain ng dinner, guys. Ang sarap ng adobo, guys. Tingnan niyo sa Daddy Mike, oh.
Apple.
Nakapangalawa nga siya, guys. Second round.
And the apple has. The apple has.
Ice cream is very yummy, honey. Can I buy another one, please? Tingnan niyo guys ang kanyang bahay, oh.
Like ice cream?
Yes, please. Uy! Magbabath pala kami ni Paris later on. Bago matulog. Kasi tingnan nyo, ang dungis ng ating baby girl ba? Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh, ang kanyang buhok ay malagkit-lagkit dito. Ewan ko kung anong nilagay niya.
Ice cream.
Ice cream! Thank you! How much is this?
Ice cream.
Sleep. Thank you! Huh.
I want ice cream.
How many would you like?
I want ice cream, Mommy.
1 or 2? Na, dito niya nilagay.
Ice cream.
There you go. Ang bulingit nga bata. No, Paris.
And take a orange.
No, Paris.
I can
Ha, ha, ho! It's nearly 10 o'clock na ng gabi, guys. Hindi natuloy yung pagbabasa-basa namin ni Paris kanina kasi na memory card full na. Kaya kailangan kong i-transfer yung ibang video sa phone ko. Yes, what's that, anak? Kailangan kong i-transfer yung ibang video sa phone ko para ma-delete ko na siya sa camera. That's something that I need to do, guys. Kailangan ko bumili ng extra na memory card. Kasi, isa talaga sa pinaka-best na ginawa ko, guys, is yung bumili ng extra na battery. Para ngayon, pag nagba-vlog ako ganito, tapos nalobat siya, meron akong bala ba. So, ayan, guys, nakapag-moisturizer na tayo and all. And then, susukayin lang natin ang ating hair. I'm not too sure kung matutulog na kami, guys. Ito kasi kanina hapon, medyo mahaba yung kanyang nap. So, maybe mamaya pa yan siya matulog. Knock, no? Knock, no? Anyways, isi-share ko pala sa inyo yung positive quote of the day. Ito yung nabunot ko, guys. And ang sabi dito ay, all that I need comes to me at the right time and place.
Mommy, get pencil there.
What's that, anak?
Get pencil.
What's that?
I get pencil.
Oh, pencil. You can go get it with Daddy. Go ask Daddy for the pencil. You want the colored pencil.
Pencil, go down.
Paris, go down. Get a pencil. Yan siya, guys. Super happy talaga ako, guys. First time for the past few days na sumama si Paris sa akin sa bath. I remember last time na gusto kong mag-bath with her and ayaw niya talaga. Sobrang iyak niya nung sinabi ko na magbabath kami. Tonight, nag-bath kami and parang pinakiramdaman ko muna siya kung okay siya or hindi. Kasi ayaw kong ma-stress na naman siya and iiyak na naman siya. But luckily, she was fine. She went inside the bathtub with me. So, super happy talaga, guys. Anyways, i-end na natin yung vlog natin dito. As always, maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Welcome sa mga bago nating mga subscribers. And of course, thank you very much sa mga subscribers natin na hindi ako iniiwan and palaging nanonood ng ating mga videos. And ngayon ay mag-shoutout lang tayo, guys. And the first shoutout goes to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Shoutout to Rosana Mansueto. Yung ating memory card ay na-full na naman. So, nanghiram na lang ako ng phone ni Daddy Mike para matapos natin yung shoutout natin. Let's move on. Shoutout to Bernadette Escosio and to Avi Jordas, Jean Berry, Emeline, Laika, Amain, Anthony Sandoval. Shoutout to Melincia Apundar. Shoutout to Lynn Ahmad, Remihia Karingal. And also, shout out daw sa kanyang daughter na po in New Zealand, Mary Ann, Athena, Sander, and Adam. Shout out to Amelita Baladjay, Edna Jeffrey. Shout out to Ginia Dular, LV Montealegre, Teresita Abaluyan, Kane Bernales, Rosemary La Rosa, Ruby De La Rosa, Telma Estor. Shout out to Daya Magallanes, LV Real, Clarice Torres.
Can you do this?
Shout out to Cherry Salazar and also to Carlina, Alexa, Eileen Suganov, Eurishal family, and Salazar family. Shout out to Maurice Vlogs, Gladys Mandanhuyan, Mad Brat, Nati Dauti. Shout out to Feby Vicino, Raquel Santos, May Gao, Marivic Valcorza, Marlene Dimalanta, Cherry May Ongayo, Honey Bee, and Viviel Ilerio. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye. Night night.
love you.
I will
Bye.
sit down.